Tesla enables the right to repair to the public. Tesla is enabling the right to repair its vehicles, at least somewhat, by opening the Electronic Parts Catalog (EPC) to the public. This will allow owners to purchase and install some car parts themselves. The EPC being opened comes with some caveats though, and there are a few catches. Tesla has kept its EPC open to the public to maintain transparency with owners, showing them the parts and systems of the EVs. It has also been a good form of education for owners and Tesla fans, who are always interested in finding out what things are added or taken away from vehicles as they are updated. However, owners have not had the opportunity to purchase and install parts on their own, and for good reason. Tesla has a lot at stake with its vehicles, and the cars are much more tech-based than vehicles of the past. Some parts are better left in the hands of trained mechanics and technicians who can install things without much risk. The EPC being opened for purchases was first seen by, not a Tesla app. Tesla has seemed to adopt this mentality with the EPC and its newfound ability to offer products to consumers. There are some things that Tesla owners will be able to buy without issue, but other parts are restricted and require a service ticket to purchase. Tesla is now selling parts from the Model S, 3, X, and Y on its Electronic Parts Catalog (EPC). You can purchase some parts to these vehicles without any restrictions. However, be aware that some parts require a service ticket to buy. Tesla's stance on right to repair has been controversial and has brought on lawsuits from some. After initially being thrown out, Tesla was forced to face a lawsuit as U.S. District Judge Trina Thompson in San Francisco reversed her ruling in June 2024. Tesla faces old lawsuit that claims it monopolizes repair and parts market. She said owners have a right to prove that Tesla forced them to pay high prices for repairs. There were also issues with the company's extensive wait periods. Currently, part availability ranges to every vehicle that is currently offered except for the Cybertruck. Tesla is not offering anything in the EPC for the all-electric pickup, at least not yet. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.